I would like you to list what attracts you to the study of landscape architecture.
Practices as a designer, as an academic.
And just thinking about that scale, that large scale.
Working for access to nature, what I call landscapes for health.
Sustainability and wellness goals within the built environment.
My lights are connected, my garage door is connected, it's all connected.
I'm going to ask a parent, state of the art, right now. There is somebody out here who I think can do a better job.
Thank you, Jen, for that.
We're going to kind of keep following that. So
And that's the important thing.
Awesome. I did have one quick question.
So today I'm just going to talk to you a little bit about what is Parking Day.
This is actually a site image that we took this summer.
Yeah.